Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be unboxing the iPhone XR that I just purchased from apple.com. But before I do so, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you have any question, and let's get started. So I just got this phone from apple.com. I bought it for about $500. Unbox it. Nice presentation. Okay. So I bought it for close to $500, but you can get it for cheaper from Amazon.com. I'm gonna drop the link down below. You might buy it for like $350, $400 from there. So let's get rid of the bag. So that's the iPhone XR. So as you can see, this is how it looks from the back. See. Nice presentation. So similar to buying a phone, like brand new phone from Apple. So this is what comes in the box. The instructions. Let me take it piece by piece. You guys want to take a look at it? All right, let's get rid of it. And then you got the phone itself. That's how it looks like. As you guys can see, that's the front. Let me turn the phone on. All right, I've never used it before, but I got asked a lot about it, and I think it's a great phone. It has a beautiful battery, an amazing one actually. It lasts about a day if you're a light user. So I just inserted my SIM card. In the past, I have had some issue with refurbished phones. Like I bought one from apple.com and it was locked, unfortunately. So I'm just gonna test it, guys, in front of you to make sure it's unlocked. So I'm not gonna set it up right now. So options, do not use passcode. So I'm gonna do the fastest. I'm not gonna log into my Apple ID to save time. Here, do not use. So as I mentioned earlier, has an amazing battery. If you guys are looking for a cheaper, affordable phone. Not now. So it looks like the phone is unlocked, which is great. Let me check out the battery with you guys, because I got asked this question a lot actually. So I'll show you right now. So let's go to the battery. General. And then, sorry, it says battery right here. Battery life is gonna be 100%. So the phone has no scratches, like 0 scratches. Front and back, it's literally brand new. Like there is nothing on it. I cannot see anything here. 0 scratches. So it's a brand new phone. And as I mentioned earlier, if you buy from Amazon, you receive an extra $200. If you buy from Amazon though, you might see some scratches here and there, but it's not biggie. So anyways, if you guys have any other questions, please let me know and I will respond in the comment below. Please don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.